man. Just fine. I just got the hiccups. Yeah. Turn that shit off. It's not my fault I get hiccups when I drink.
You're being too violent, don't you?
Huh?
All this violence in my face.
Dude, I'm dying because I'm hiccuping and she's making fun of me. Stop.
That was a good one.
You gotta mingle with the people.
It's like a chicken.
What?
No.
If that bitch runs out of batteries.
What?
If that bitch runs out of batteries.
I've got my charger with me.
You probably already did run out of batteries. Just don't make fun of my hiccups, please. It's not. I'm self-conscious about it.
About your hiccups?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they're ridiculous.
They're cute. Dude, I think you're also the wrong person, bro.
My bad.
I see how it is.
There's like 1,000 knees here. I didn't even
Mine are
notice.
completely different looking.
I wasn't paying no attention, okay? I was too busy getting harassed by you.
Harassed? Are you really getting harassed?
Yeah.
Why? That's upside down.
Because you're making fun of my hiccups.
They're cute.
It's not cute, it's drunkenness.
Standing right next to me. See that? Huh?